Kensington Trades College has only one focus, which is building your career in the trades industry. There are so many reasons to want to become an electrician's apprentice. It's a trade that allows you to earn a paycheck while receiving on-the-job training and mentorship from experts. It also provides high job security, excellent salary potential, and a hands-on work environment with strong career growth opportunities in a high-demand field. If you want to start your journey to finding a role as an apprentice, then our diploma program, called Electrical Pre-Apprentice, is a hands-on program that gets you on your way. Over 50% of the training is hands-on learning and working with voltage meters, cables, wiring, switches, receptacles, breakers, light fixtures, and other electrical tools and equipment. This is what electricians look for when they're hiring a new apprentice. So our diploma will help to jumpstart your new career. Kensington Trades College offers this program either fully on campus or in a hybrid format where theory is online, followed by hands-on labs which are on campus. This way, students get the best of both worlds, with learning from the comfort of their own home and then putting it all into practice in our build house. Courses for this program are Electrical Theory, Canadian Electrical Code, Takeoffs and Estimating, Apprenticeship Job Preparation, Electrical Safety, Electrician Tools and Materials, and Project Management for Electricians. Students then engage in hands-on practicals inside our build house during the courses called Residential Installation and Commercial Installation, when they have lots of training using a commercial building blueprint package to prepare for real-world applications. These courses combine to create a comprehensive 400-hour, 20-week program that prepares students to start a new career as an electrician's apprentice. Students require CSA-approved work boots, a hard hat, earplugs, insulated work gloves, dust mask, safety goggles, and knee pads to ensure they are working safely. Plus, the full program includes $750 in tools of the trade, which students use in labs every day during the installation courses. And so graduates have the tools they need to get started on their apprenticeship. Employment opportunities for electricians continue to be strong with a projected job growth of 9% over the next 10 years, especially in the Greater Toronto area and across Ontario. Our diploma is your first step to earning a paid apprenticeship and starting your journey to earn a Canada-wide Red Seal certification. Kensington Trades College offers small class sizes to provide students with lots of hands-on training, working with our instructors who are electrical experts. Our Electrician Pre-Apprentice program is only 20 weeks, which means you'll earn your diploma and be able to start your apprenticeship in less than 5 months. Reach out to an admissions advisor by email or phone to learn about upcoming class schedules, funding and fees, and to ask which diploma program is right for you. It's time to build your career. Call us today to begin.